Hi, welcome to the course. Today, we will talk about Korean folks and the history of Korean. By the way, the folk we are going to talk about is a culture, but more deeply related to common people than what we have discussed previously. Let's start from pansori. Pansori is a method of singing that includes a story. Until now, it seems like a musical, but it is more like storytelling while singing. There is no instrument that supports the singing except for janggu, which is a Korean traditional instrument. The singing of the pansori is a way different from current singing, but it definitely is one of the folks of Korea. Another one is Ganggang sullae. It was a dance for women. They, in the night under the bright moonlight, made the circle and spin around, and they also get over others, like shown in the picture here. The hypothesis about how this folk was originated is that the ritual that was present in the past has changed its form, making Ganggang sullae. However, today, it is more famous as a folk dance. One other thing is Tal Chum. It is the most famous folk in Korea. Simply put, it is a mask that includes the dance. It also has acting included in it. These were famous folks about Korea. Now I would like to introduce how the name Korea was made. By learning this, we can glimpse the history of Korea. I'll start with the 600 AC. During this time, Korea was divided into three countries. However, after many fights, one country united Korea. This was Shin-la. Shin-la is this nation here. Shin-la ruled the Korean peninsula for many years, but there was corruption caused by an easygoing nation. This caused the rise of the new nation, Koryo, and this nation traded a lot with other nations, making their nation more known to the whole world. One of the goods they traded was koryo, which is shown in this picture. Because of a lot of trade, the name Korea, that foreign people understood as, was spread to the world. However, this dynasty has not continued forever either. The new nation, Joseon, came in, and after some time, Daehanminguk was formed. Due to Korea well known to the world, Daehanminguk chose to use Korea as the name for their nation when speaking with foreigners. This is how the name Korea was formed. I hope you enjoyed learning with me.